welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing great. Today I will be showing you how to use spaghetti and corned beef to make a quick dinner. The ingredients are 9 cups water, 2 tablespoons oil, 2 stalks scallion chopped, half onion chopped, Scotch bonnet pepper, 1 can corned beef, 1½ tomato chopped, ½ teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon onion powder, total seasoning, and 1 pound spaghetti. So now guys, let's get started. Now I will add the salt and spaghetti to the boiling water. Boil for 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Now that the spaghetti is tender enough, I will drain the water. So here you go guys. Now I will set this aside. Now I will add the oil to the pan. Onion, saute and mid-heat. Scallion, tomato, peel away the wrapper from the can. Then use a key to open. Now I will add to the pan. Now I will add black pepper, total seasoning, onion powder, and the spaghetti. I will add some butter and cook for another 5 minutes. So here we go, guys. Your quick dinner is ready. You can enjoy with white rice or anything you so desired. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave me a comment, like, share, and subscribe. See you guys soon.